Eagles Nation, stand up and welcome to Bird's Eye View from one fan to another. I'm your host and fellow fan, Clay Rowland. Let's get it poppin'. Cleveland 5, Philadelphia absolutely nothing. Nah, I'm not doing a Phillies podcast. That was the score. 5 to absolutely nothing. The reason I'm giving you half a smile, because only half the team showed up. The defense. The defense played one hell of a ball game. Welcome back, Jordan Hicks. It's nice to see you on that sack. The defense is ready for 2018, people. I like what my defense is. I like the personnel. I like what Jim Schwartz is doing. I like everything about my defense right now. My starting defense is ready for the 2018 season. So I'm gonna go back to last night, and I'm gonna show you Jordan Hicks' sack. I'm gonna talk about Jordan Hicks' sack and why they were able to pull this sack off. Okay, Cleveland was in max protection. That means they leave a back end. Only reason is to protect the quarterback, to block for the quarterback. His main priority is the A gap, where Jordan Hicks shot through for the sack. But the Eagles showed a corner blitz. Now, the other rule for the running back is the first one that shows imminent danger to the quarterback, the running back must pick up. So when the Eagles show a corner blitz, Duke Johnson, the running back for Cleveland Browns, attention shifted to the corner blitz to the edge. Jordan Hicks' timing was impeccable. Soon as Duke Johnson's attention shifted to the corner blitz, he shoots the A-gap. Jordan Hicks shoots the A-gap and makes the sack. That's why push is so important. That's why all this is so important, because it makes blitzes that more effective when that happens. Another bright side, the corners. I thought Jalen Mills played one heck of a ball game. I mean, he's like real pesty. You know, he gets under receivers' skin. You know, Cleveland was able to knock on some big chunks of yardage. But, again, bend and don't break. Cleveland gets down to the goal line. At one point in the ball game, they get down to the goal line. Reminiscence of against Atlanta, divisional playoff last year. End of the game, when Matt Ryan drives Atlanta Falcons all the way to the goal line. And there, Jalen Mills on Julio Jones, just pestering. And they incomplete. You know what happens after that. Same thing last night. Jalen Mills did the same thing to Jarvis Landry. Just got him in the end zone. Jarvis is complaining, but that's what Jalen Mills does. And what a goal line stand. That's what I need to see from my defense. Bend and don't break. Because in this league, you're going to give them chunks of yardage. That's just a given. But the thing is, don't give up points. They gave up 5 points. Really gave up 3. But we'll get to the offense in a little bit. So I think my defense is ready. They're ready to roll. I was very happy with the defense. So everybody out there, be happy with your defense. They're doing a lot of good things. I saw this Maddox kid with the interception. This kid is going to mess around and make the ball club. They're going to make the job. They're going to make Jim Schwartz's job hard. Who's going to keep? Who's going to cut? Because his corners, young corners, are playing pretty good back there. So I was very pleased with my defense and the young guys. So my defense is set, ready to rock and roll. Let's go to the offense. 0 points. Now, I know half the starters didn't play. Like Jeffrey, the 3 running backs didn't play. Of course, C-Dub, the quarterback, didn't play. Nick Foles started. But let's go to Nick Foles. Because I was 100% disappointed in Nick Foles. Just disappointed. This guy, we know his feet, he don't have good feet. We know that. So he has to get rid of the ball. So I'm guessing on the 10-yard line, okay? He drives the team down. Now, at this point, I'm like, okay, Nick's moving the ball, and I'm kind of happy. I'm getting there. I'm like, okay, because I was a little disappointed, but I saw Nick moving the ball. Okay, he gets into the red zone where everything moves 10 times faster. It's a tighter area, everything's moving faster. Nick made a cardinal sin. He made a rookie mistake. He's in the red zone throwing a ball across his body. So you know what happens? Interception. Come on, Nick. Now, here's the problem I have with that. Nick is playing like a bum. Let's call it like it is. I'll keep it 100. That was bum play last night. And I know he's a Super Bowl MVP, and I'll give him that. But that was last year. 2018 is here. I need Nick on a better level than he was last night. 0 points? Come on. All right? Now, here's the problem I have with that. Nick doesn't play well. So it makes the hurry up for getting Carson back in there, who might not be 100% because the team might fall with Nick. Now, people say this. Now, and I kind of agree. Like, Nick is a bright light kind of guy. When a light shine, Nick plays. Okay, that might be true. But I need to see some points. Some points. And I granted, Cleveland was a better defensive team than I thought. I think that Myles Garrett kid, I think he's nice. I mean, that kid's first step, my God, you see it. Mm-hmm. Now, I don't like giving credit to many other teams and other players, but my God, did you see the first step? This guy was beating Vitae like he stole something. And now the Vitae. What's the problem? Okay, Vitae, what's the problem? You're getting beat bad. Okay? Thank God Jason Peters is healthy. Because I'm tired of this. Now you got a statue back there, Nick Foles. He needs his left tackle to be stout. Okay? You got to beat bad again. Now, so we know half the starters weren't there. So the playmakers weren't there. And that's all well and good. We know that. So maybe we'll see something when the season goes on. I hope we do, because the offense just stank last night. Call it what it is. I don't pull no punches. Nick's so busy trying to sell books. He needs to study the playbook and look for his hot read. Stop holding the ball. Because you know he has no footwork. None. Get rid of the ball. Get rid of it. All right? I need you on a different level. All right? Super Bowl MVP. All right? Live up to that. Got a new contract and all that. Okay, I'm done. Okay? I'm a little hot. I'm a little hot on collar, you know, because that's what I do. That's what I am. EAGLES all day. So, overall, I give it a C. Because the offense didn't show up. The defense did their job. You 5 points, you're supposed to win that game. No doubt about it. Supposed to win that game. Doug Peters was even disappointed in Nick. You know. So, it is what it is. Water under the bridge. Let's get ready. So, we got the fourth preseason game coming up against the New York Jets. Okay? So we got a couple roster spots open, so see who gets those spots. So watch the game. I'm going to watch it. I'll come. But next week, when I come to talk next week, and we do the video podcast next week, we're going to talk about, we're going to recap the preseason, and, you know, I'm going to preview the 2018 season and tell you what to look for and see what's up. So anyway, so this preseason to me, on the most part, has been disappointing. From scale of 1 to 10, it's been about 4. I don't know how you view it. Hit me up with me and my Eagles on my Twitter. Please hit me up and let me know how'd you view the preseason so far. I view it a 4. See what you view it as. So hit me on my Twitter, me and my Eagles. And do me a favor, people. Subscribe to my channel. Bird's eye view, one fan to another. Subscribe to my channel so we can get this thing moving. Because the season's about to open. We got to do this. I'm talking about repeat. Here I'm talking about repeat. And I got Super Bowl MVP playing like a total bum. I call it like it is. I keep it 100. All right? So subscribe to my channel. It's the Jets next week. Preseason finale. Make sure you check it out and see what the final roster spots are giving up. Because at 4 o'clock on that Saturday, at 4 p.m., the roster has to be there at 53. So might be some surprises on there. You know, I think that Maddox kid, corner, makes it. I think Sheldon Gibson, wide receiver, makes the team. So we'll see what happens. But I think we're ready. Is Wentz going to be ready? Yes or no? What do you think? Hit me on my Twitter, me and my Eagles. Is Wentz going to be ready? If not, can Foles do this? So hit me on my Twitter, me and my Eagles, and subscribe to my channel. Next week is the Jets, and we're going to see what happens. Keep this thing going. All right? EAGLES all day. I keep it 100.